Hi, I'm Claire. We're going to read National Geographic Kids Frogs. Splish, splash. What is that sound? What is hopping and jumping around? What loves to swim? What loves to eat bugs? It's a frog. Can you hop like a frog? Frogs live all over the world, except Antarctica. Frogs usually live in wet places. They like rivers, lakes, and ponds. But some frogs live in trees. Some even live in the desert. Frogs can be found all over the world wherever they live. That's their habitat.
Habitat is the natural place where a plant or animal lives.
Look at this frog croaking. Some frogs' throat puff up when they make sounds. Each type of frog makes its own sound. The coqui frog is named after the sound. It sounds like coqui. This frog is the size of a quarter. Even small frogs can make loud noises.
A croak is the deep, hoarse noise that a frog makes.
Make different sounds for different reasons. Sometimes it's to warn other frogs of danger. Sometimes it's to call frogs nearby. This frog lives around noisy waterfalls. Other frogs would not be able to hear its call, so it dances instead. It sticks out one leg and then the other. Can you dance like this frog?
Frog food.
What is a frog's favorite food? Usually it's insects. Frogs eat dragonflies and crickets and other bugs. Some frogs eat bigger animals like worms and mice, and American bullfrogs even eat other frogs. What's that pink flash? It's how a frog catches bugs. It shoots out its long, sticky tongue goo, and passing the frog pulls the bug into its mouth.
If your tongue were as long as a frog's, it would reach to your belly button. Every size and color.
Frogs can be many different sizes. The smallest frog is as big as a fingernail. The largest is as big as a rabbit.
Frogs can be different colors too.
Some are green or brown. Others have stripes or spots. Frogs can be red, yellow, or orange. They even can be bright blue.
Watch out!
These colorful frogs may look pretty, but watch out. These frogs have poison in their skin. Their bright color warns enemies not to eat them.
Poison is something that can kill or hurt living things.
This little frog is only an inch long. Its name is terribleness, which means the terrible one. How did it get its name? By being the most deadly frog of all. One terribleness has enough poison to kill 20,000 mice.
Frog babies.
All frogs, even terribleness, have mothers. Frog lay eggs. When the eggs are ready out pop the tadpoles. Tadpoles are baby frogs, but they don't look like frogs yet. Tadpoles have tails and live only in water. First, they breathe underwater with gills. They grow lungs for breathing air. They grow legs for hopping and swimming. In 3 months, they lose their tails.
It's time to hop out of the water. Gills are the parts of body on the sides of the fish or a tadpole through which it breathes. Toads are frogs too. Hey,
What?
Claire, what's the difference between toads and frogs?
Toads are a type of frog that frogs spend most of their lives around water. Toads spend more time on dry land. Their bodies are built for where they live.
Hey, Claire, what happened to the frog's car when it broke down? It got towed.